Good day. I don't know if you can see me. It's evening time here in the village of Nyabohanse. It has been raining for like 2 hours, and we thank God it's a good day. Everything is okay. Today in the morning I got some work, so I was busy, and I just came. I want to go cook some dinner for, I don't know if you can see me here. I want to cook dinner for me, myself, and I. Join me as I go to cook. I hope you'll enjoy it. Yeah. So let's go. So this is what I will cook for dinner today. I just bought them at the market. It's very hot. Can you spot there? Some beans here and some corn here. You know, now is the season for some people have already started harvesting some corns and beans. So see this one. This one is the staple food for this area of western part of Kenya. So I tasted it somewhere and I really like it, and have it for supper. This costs see, this one costs $0.5, 50 cent dollars, 30 there, 30 cents this one. So I'm gonna cook it. I have some tomatoes here and onion. So I'm going to wash them and chop them so that I can fry this maize and beans so that it can be tastier. So you see this one, these 2 tomatoes cost like 10 cents with these onions is like 12 cents, 12 USD. So I'm going to cook it with red chili pepper. So stay tuned. That one has refused to light. Let me use another one. Oh, well, my matchbox want to finish and the shop already closed. Please light up, please light up. That one is ready. I want to put some cooking oil. That's enough. poking. See how the oil was popping out, jumping on my skin here. I have to run for safety. And I'll put my beans with corn. Yeah, they call it Githeri. Going to start. Just a simple meal like this, and very organic. And when it enters your stomach, you just stay full for hours. So I will not finish this one. I will leave another one for breakfast. So I should have a heavy breakfast when I go to work. Just stay full for a very long time, just working. I don't need to add water. This one is okay. So comment there in the comment section. How do you have something like this in your place? And what is the name of it? How do you call a meal like this one? Maybe here, only here in Africa, especially Kenya. I don't know, it's only in East Africa that we like this, or in other places also. So I'll leave it for a moment. Then switch off. I think it's ready. Wow, the aroma is so good. So let me put it in a dish or bowl, then I eat. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you.